When constructing, you would often wreck, build, wreck, rebuild. But that's not what Owadu General Contractors does. We insist on a solution-based benefit for our clients in delivering to our clients their dream houses with the least amount of resources. Meet the man at the helm, defying all odds, Samuel Owadu.
Owadu General Contractors was transitioned early 1988 and established in the year 2017. Since then, I've been working in the construction industry. I'm also doing consulting and budgeting.
If you're planning to construct your house or office building in the city or in the village, call us today. We will help you with the building plans and budget estimates to achieve your desired dreams. Owadu General Contractors, building one beam at a time.